Breaking. Large avalanche slide on Teton Pass buries person north of Mt. Glory. A very large natural avalanche also released yesterday around 11:15 am on the east face of Buck Mountain at an elevation of 11,500 feet. A person was on a snow machine at the base of the Great White Hump, north of Mt. Glory when she was fully buried by an avalanche this afternoon, said Teton County Sheriff Carr. Another member remotely triggered 2 avalanches, and one of them came down on the snow machine. Carr said her party was not able to find a beacon signal, but they were able to find her with a probe strike and digged her out before SAR arrived on scene. TCSAR provided medical treatment and transported personnel back to the hangar. The woman was alert, conscious and breathing.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.